Yeah, this is a longer path, but easier path.
Yeah, for sure.
Because we would have probably already been up there if we were rock climbing.
Yeah, actually.
Unless we were falling down.
I think this might actually go down.
Yeah, actually. Maybe
Do you want
not.
to turn around and we'll go on the other path? I think this does go down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, but it does go woo, it looks like.
Yeah, I got a better idea. We'll go up this way. Because it looked like... I think we were supposed to take a left. Careful!
Whee! That made me dizzy. The wind's so strong it's pushing me. Here's this again. So you have to climb the mountain.
No. Take it. Let's keep going.
Hopefully we don't have to climb the mountain. Hopefully there's another option. Slow, blind corner, proceed with caution. What does that mean?
I don't know. I mean, to not run, maybe?
Well, because it's so twisty.
Yeah.
Oh, because of that. So are we going up there?
Now we'll go.
Really sandy bit. It doesn't seem like there's any other way up.
Let's see.
That looked like a worm.
A worm.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It seems to be no other way up.
Maybe this will take us to a different walk. One that we don't have to climb up.
Got sand in my shoes.
Oh no.
Doesn't matter though.
We'll ask these girls once they... I'm gonna ask these girls once they come and ask them where this is.
This would be a scary place to rest.
Oh, be careful. Let's not go right there. Did you guys just come from a bluff?
Yeah, we came.
So this leads you up there?
Yes. It's
Okay,
us.
perfect.
Yeah,
How
behind the
long-
right. Is this lead us down?
Yeah.
Okay, because we're lost.
Okay. Okay. How long is it?
You You have to go kind of like around and then it goes back up. So it's like
Okay.
it kind of zigzags up.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. And this just goes down.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
She gave us directions, and we gave her directions.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Oh, nice.
So tired.
Take it easy. What are you gonna do at Boy Scouts today?
I don't know.
You don't know? Boy Scout stuff?
Yeah.
What do you guys sell?
Popcorn.
Popcorn? Okay. Nice.
Yeah, we actually went around 2 days ago
Oh, really?
for the popcorn.
Oh, cool. Good. Did you
Just
sell a lot?
big drop. Yeah, 6
Nice.
bags.
Wow, nice. Ooh, be careful. Please don't run so close to there, okay?
This mountain's really tiring.
Yeah, save all your energy.
Of rocks here from the mountain breaking up. This is really zigzaggy path.
But at least you don't have to climb straight up. That's why it's so zigzaggy. So you don't have to climb.
We just have, well, you kind of do have to. You have to hike.
Yeah. But you don't have to climb.
Sounds like another alarm.
Birds.
Are those called alarm birds?
I think they're just called birds.
There's a breed called alarm. We're coming back down.
Stay clear of this. So, I want you to fall.
This is where the lava wind will be in the GoPro.
What?
This is where lava wind will be in the GoPro. And now, kind of so.
Ooh, be careful.
Yeah.
Let's not do any more running, okay?
So it's a tight path here. And again, longer, but easier.
Yep. Doesn't take all your energy out of you. You have time to kill anyways.
But it isn't the good path for parkours.
Yeah. Do you watch a lot of the parkouring videos? Nice.
I actually watched this parkour video called The Incident, and it's where someone was parkouring on the top of a bunch of buildings, and there's someone standing there, and the person asks, "Hey, are you a parkourer too?" And then the dude starts walking towards him, pulls out a fake knife, and pretends to stab him.
Oh my god, that's scary.
And I knew it was fake. Do you know how? Same person, still uploads parkour videos.
Scary.
His newest video was uploaded today,
Oh man.
and that video was uploaded 2 years ago.
Yikes. We're almost there.
Yay. I asked my mom and dad if the video is fake, and they both said fake.
Good.
And I said fake too.
Good
So,
job.
yeah, it's fake.
I would think so too. Too bad there's no sunset today.
Mhm. So tired. I'm gonna have a break here.
Okay.
Let's go to that non-broken stump over here. That's a steep drop. It's like those
Be
little
careful, you don't fall back.
scooters that we had.
Oh yeah. Looks pretty beautiful so far.
Mhm.